Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. Whenever I try to play the game, I got the error. The game has lost connection. Please relaunch the client to restore connectivity. Error code VAL5. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to run Valorant as the administrator. To do this, you just need to right click on the Valorant and select run as administrator and select yes, and now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. Go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video, copy and paste it one by one. After finishing this, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.